So guys, I'm using the popcorn popper to loosen the glue on this tablet. So just a little bit. Give it a few minutes. Just give it a warm it up all around the same way. If you don't have a blower, a hair blower, dryer, or blower, you figure out something. So do this carefully. Oops. So I want to replace a screen and this charger, Type-C charger. So there we go, got it all out. That's how you open this. So I need to do a lot of stuffs inside here. I will need to replace the Type-C charger, and then I'm also going to replace, I don't think I need to replace the screen. The screen looks like it's perfect, nothing has been touched on it, so I'm gonna just keep it that way for now. So next thing I'm gonna find, I'm going to find what I can put here. So I'll show you how that goes. So basically I got this one from, I bought this one for my other tablet, but I never got to use them. I'm gonna try to see if I can use this one. Not today though, because I don't have the solder and the soldering wire. So, but I'm gonna try to basically open to see what I'm gonna need. Just planning ahead. So let me see if I have the right tools to open this. Okay, this one can open. Just want to see how it looks like inside there. It's always good to have a magnetic screw. Keeps the screws together, not lost. So if there is anything that I need to solder, I have the solder myself at my work. So I'll just go and grab it and basically use it instead of having to buy a new one. Okay, just surveying for now. It looks like I'll have everything, but I can still replace the whole of this. I can replace the whole of this thing. And I can basically just pull this one out. So this is all I need. My son messed it up. He was pushing this in, but he didn't need to do that. So fortunately, this is the same as that. Can you see? They go hand in hand. I wish I had it here. I'll try to get it done tomorrow. So, because I have as I said, I have a solder at my work. So I'll try to get this one out and replace this other one. So hopefully that's gonna work. If this one doesn't work, then I'll just definitely buy a new one. I'll buy a new hold of this, because there's no need of me buying a new tablet for this one. So everything is looking good. This is looking good for replacement. And then my screen doesn't need to be replaced, as I told you. I'll just need to glue it back, and then everything, nothing was broken. So that's the beauty of this. So I'm gonna stop here and then I'll come back. I'll just add a video of me putting this all together and coming back and replacing it back where it's supposed to go. But for now, I'm gonna just put this back so I don't lose my screws, and then I'll continue. Hello guys, I want to try to take this one off, and I'm gonna switch this head real quick. Okay, so this is liquid flux. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I was able to remove. It took me a bit of some time to actually get this one off. You can see it was messed up, so I've replaced with a good one. I didn't have solder, but I just decided to use whatever was there. So I need more solder to put it here and here, but basically I'll do that some other time. For now, I'm just gonna put it in and try to charge it. Alan. Just putting everything back. Then we're gonna go try and charge it. Looks like it's looking good. Okay, so I do not have glue to glue back this tablet around, so I just ordered it. It should be coming pretty much soon, but I'm just gonna hold it this way for now. Of course, it has its own original glue, and I just need to go bring a charger to test if it's charging. Let's try to see it charge it if we see it works. Oh, it's charging. It's pretty low, so I'm gonna leave it here for some time and come back and check. Okay, let's leave it here for some time and come back. So I have replaced this one here. Trying to charge it and see if that works. How to use this solder, and let's check if it's working. Okay, is it charging? Yep, it's charging, 2%. That's good. So I just need to tap it back on it and we're good. Nice.